Yoga, the ancient cultural heritage, understands health and well-being as a dynamic continuum of human nature. Amidst COVID, we marginalized our mental wellness. So, let's take a journey back into forgotten and forsaken mental wellness through a guided meditation session. Myself, Suchasmita Rai, I am pursuing my Bachelor's of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences degree from Subharti University, Meerut. Today, we will learn about cyclic meditation and practice depth. Come on, let's start.
शवासना में लेट जाएंगे, दोनों पैरों में थोड़ी दूरी, हाथ शरीर के दाएं बाएं और हथेलियां आसमान की तरफ। आंखें बंद करके पूरा शरीर ढीला छोड़ दें और अपने आप को साइक्लिक मेडिटेशन के लिए तैयार करें। स्टेप 1 इज प्रेयर। लय संबोधित चित्तं विक्षिप्तं समयेत् पुनः सक्षयं विजानीयात् समाप्राप्तं न चालयेत्, which means in the state of drowsiness awaken the mind, when agitated pacify it, recognize the deeper mind full of desires, blocks, stagnation, etc. Reaching the state of perfect equilibrium, do not disturb that state again. Step 2. Instant relaxation technique. Bring your legs together, heels touching each other and hands beside your body. Relax your mind and face with a smile on your face. Stretch your toes and tighten them. Tighten your ankle joints, calf muscles, pull up the kneecaps, tighten them. Tighten your thigh muscles, compress and squeeze your buttocks. Breathe out and suck your abdomen in. Make fists of your hand. Tighten your arms. Inhale and expand your chest. Tighten the shoulders, neck muscles and compress the face. Tighten the whole body from toes to the head. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Release and let go the whole body instantaneously. Legs and arms go apart with the open palms facing the sky. Collapse the whole body and enjoy the relaxation. Step 3. Linear awareness and centering. Linear awareness. Slowly raise your left hand above the head along the ground. Slowly turn over to the left side. Place the head on the left biceps, the right leg on the left leg, right palm on the right thigh. Let the whole body relax. Feel entire weight of the body coming down to the ground along the left side of the trunk. Find linear awareness. Slowly start coming up to Tadasana. Let all the movements be slow. Let the breathing be deep, slow and continuous. Eyes should be closed. Carefully feel the changes in your body. As you stand up and reach the vertical position, feel the flow of blood down the heart. Feel the heartbeat and the pulse. Chant Brahmari to generate a 3D awareness. Feel the whole body resonating. Feel the fine massaging effect. Moving further, centering. Now, slowly lean forward. Feel the weight of the entire body on the toes. Pointed awareness. Slowly lean backwards. Feel the weight on the heels. Surface awareness. Come to the center. Lean to the right. The weight of the entire body is on the right edge of the right foot. Linear awareness. Lean to the left. Come to the center. Find surface awareness. Now the whole body is centered. The weight of the body is equally distributed throughout the soles of the feet. Collapse the shoulders, arms hanging freely down, smiling face. Feel all the changes taking place throughout the body. Step 4. Standing asanas. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Raise your right arm slowly upwards and sideways. Biceps should be touching your ears. Feel the stretch on the right side. Slowly start bending to the left side. Left palm slowly sliding over the left thigh. Enjoy the fine stretch over waist muscles of right side and compression over left side. Slowly come back and release. Now perform the same with the left hand. Come back. Enjoy the sense of well-being. Both the sides of the body are now equally energized. Moving further, step 5. Quick relaxation technique, QRT. Now, slowly lie down in Shavasana from your right side. Phase 1. Observing the abdominal movements. Be aware about your natural up and down movement of abdominal muscles without any manipulation of breathing. Phase 2. Associate with breathing. Synchronization of the abdominal muscle movement with breathing while inhaling, abdomen bulging up, and with exhalation sinking down. Phase 3. Breathing with feeling. While you inhale, feel the whole body getting energized and becoming light with each exhalation. Collapse the whole body. Release all the stress and tension completely. Inhale deeply and exhale completely for 2 more rounds. Relax. Now bring your legs together and hands by the side of the body. Come up straight with the support of your elbows to the sitting position. Legs stretched, relaxed position, Sthiti Dandasana. Moving further to step 6, sitting asanas. Now we will do a set of 3 asanas for stimulation and relaxation. Vajrasana, Shashankasana and Ustrasana. Vajrasana. Slowly fold the right leg backward and then the left leg. Sitting on the heels. Coming to the Vajrasana position. Palms on the thighs. Keep the spine erect. Enjoy the effect of harmonizing the beautiful balance. Recognize all the changes in the body. Shashankas. Now slowly start taking the arms behind. Hold the right wrist with the left palm. Start feeling the pulse at the right wrist. Feel the heartbeat. Now slowly start bending down forward for Shashankasana. Inhale and chant Makara. Feel the resonance throughout the head. Slowly come up to Vajrasana. Feel the lightness in the head. Feel the heartbeat. 3D awareness throughout the body. Slowly release the arms. Place them on the thighs. Now slowly rise up. Stand on the knees for Ustrasana by placing both the palms on the soles of the feet. Have a beautiful smile on the face. Inhale and chant Akara. Slowly return by releasing the arms and placing them on the waist. Feel the avalanche of nerve impulses throughout the body. Feel the heartbeat. Slowly come back to Vajrasana and to Dandasana. Relax and do not open your eyes. Moving further to next step, deep relaxation technique, DRT. Slowly slide down to Shavasana with the support of the elbows, legs apart, hands apart, palm facing the roof. Let the whole body collapse on the ground. Let us make ourselves comfortable and relax completely. Relaxation of lower part of the body with Akara chanting. Inhale and chant Akara with exhalation. Then bring your awareness to the abdominal region. Visualize all the vital organs in your belly and chest and move to neck area part by part, including your back and both the hands. Totally relax the middle portion of the body and then chant Ukara. Once again. Feel the vibration in the middle part of the body. Now slowly move your awareness to the head region and bringing awareness on each part of your head region. Completely relax the head region and then chant Makara. Feel the vibration in your head. Now, finally, observe your entire body from toes to the head and relax. Chant Om together in a single breath 2 times and feel the resonance throughout the body. Inhale and chant Om. Slowly come out of the body consciousness. Now use your visualization power. Imagine the vast, beautiful sky with closed eyes. Do not open. Expand your awareness as vast as you can. Merge yourself into the beautiful blue sky. Feel yourself as a part of the sky. Enjoy the infinite bliss, the blissful state of silence, and all the pervasive awareness. Slowly bring yourself to body consciousness and chant Om for 3 rounds. Om. the resonance throughout the body and the soothing and massaging effect from toes to head, lightness, alertness, and movement of energy throughout the body. We will end the session with closing prayer. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Gently move your whole body a little. Feel the lightness, alertness, and movement of energy throughout the body. Slowly bring your legs together and hands by the side of the body. Turn over to the right side and come up when you are ready.